Hello, everyone. This is Jesse Precious. It's me again. I have this little question that came up not long ago. It's basic, and it's from physics. So I was hoping that we could tackle it together. It goes this way: a drop of oil of volume 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter cube spreads out on water to make a circular film of radius 10 meters. So 10 raised to the power minus 1 meter. I think that value there is a little bit mistaken, typographical error. The radius there should be 10 raised to the power minus 1 meters. So what is the thickness of the film? Now, I'm going to use the things you already know here, and trust me, you know them. So first of all, let's cite our solution. It's going to be a quick one. So since we are being asked to find thickness, the formula for thickness, we should have it at the back of our mind, is equal to volume over area. So, um, since that is the case, let's keep in mind too that the formula for area, since the film is circular, the formula for area is going to be pi r square. So the radius of the circular film is 10 raised to the power minus 1 meters. So we're going to keep that in mind, where V, the volume is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter cube, and the radius is 10 raised to the power minus 1 meter. So makes it easier for us to solve. We already know that pi is equal to 22 over 7. So next step we're going to take is um, using the formula here. So we're going to say formula for thickness, therefore thickness is equal to, the value for volume there is 10 raised to the power minus 10 all over the value for the area there is pi r squared. So I'm going to say 22 over 7, which is the pi, all in a bracket. Our r there is 10 raised to the power minus 1, all bracket close, 2. Sorry, I'm managing space. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, sorry. Okay, so um, this is the value we pretty much do have. So when it comes to expressions like this, we could use what we call the PEMDAS. The PEMDAS is an order of operation that recognizes the fact that exponential has to come before multiplication. That is what E stands for. Exponential has to come before multiplication. So the exponential we have here is this, and we're going to resolve it as much as we can. So diving right in, the next step we should have is thickness. Permit me, I have to regurgitate everything just to make you understand better. 10 raised to the power minus 1, 10 all over 22 over 7. Then this 2 out of the bracket as an exponential has to multiply the negative 1, which will give you negative 1 times 2 gives you negative 2. So we have here 10 raised to the power negative 2, all bracket closed. Now, in this expression, you pretty much understand that brackets means multiplication. And checking it out, this number here has the same base with the number above. So we're going to obey the laws of indices, which notifies us that when index notation of the same base are dividing, the powers are subtracting. So pretty much what this means is that we're going to have something like this, equal to 10 raised to power minus 10. The index notations are dividing, of which they have the same base. We're now going to say the powers are subtracting. So we have here minus, all in the bracket, minus 2, bracket close, all over 22 over 7. So working it out this way, let me shift a little bit more. Working it out this way, we have here minus changes the sign inside of the bracket. So we're going to have here minus 10 plus 2. So we have 10 raised to power minus 10 plus 2 all over 22 over 7. So equal to, what we have here is minus 10 plus 2 give you minus 8. So we have here 10 raised to power minus 8 all over 22 over 7. So next thing here is we're going to resolve this. We have two division lines here. Resolving this would mean 10 raised to power minus 8 divided by 22 over 7, which also means that, sorry, we are going to be using a straight line here today, which also means this expression also means a reciprocal. So we have here 10 raised to power minus 8, having an imaginary one here, times the division sign has changed into a multiplication due to what we call reciprocal. This is the only human solvable method we could use. If you use the calculator to work on this at this phase, you will still get the same answer as what we're going to obtain since we converted this to a multiplication. So we're going to have here 7 over 22. This pretty much gives us the value here. 7 times 10 raised to power minus 8 all over 22. This becomes our final answer. There is a lot of beauty in simplicity. If you could leave your value like this, it would save you the stress of having a lot of decimal. But if you still do want to obtain your value in decimal expression, you could as well say 7 divided by 22, which gives you, let's see, so it gives you equal to 0.318 approximately times 10 raised to power minus 8. You have to work on this better. You have to make it a lot better. So converting it to a standard form would mean 3.18 times 10, sorry, times 10 raised to power minus 9. So this pretty much becomes our final answer. So yeah, this is an overview of what we've done here, and I do hope that you understood. But for more details, you could equally enroll on a virtual class with me, an online class with me, where I pretty much do conduct a lot of this. So you can reach us out through the following links, and I hope to see you on our next post. Thank you very much.